what's going on? It's your girl, Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back. How y'all doing? How you been? Hey, sister, brother, them auntie, how they doing? I hope everybody's blessed. Y'all having a wonderful Saturday. Y'all already know I got my Boxycharm. Y'all, I am excited. This is my August premium Boxycharm box, and I'm just gonna say, if you're first time watching me, you never seen a Boxycharm unboxing video, y'all, it's just a subscription box. You can get this box for $35 a month, or you can get the $25 a month, or you can get the $50 a month box that come every 3 months. Now, I done explain, because I usually don't, y'all. I be forgetting. So, I done explain, because I know everybody may have not seen these unboxing or these reviews. It's just a beauty subscription for makeup junkies like myself. Okay, y'all? With that being said, y'all, I'm ready to get into this box. I'm telling y'all, I was ready to open this box when it first came, but I wasn't going to do y'all like that. I was going to do it the right way and unbox it with you guys. And I so hope I don't see a card. I was looking for a card so I could give you guys prices and stuff, but there's no card. There's no card. So let's just get in here and see what we got. The first little bitty thing I'm looking at is, yeah, my phone would ring, wouldn't it? Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, the first little thing that I'm looking at, it looks like a gel liner. And I got so many liners open, guys, I ain't gonna open this. And I can't tell you any details about it or who it's from. It looks like, oh, it's Gerard Cosmetics. Eternal eyeliner. Okay, I might as well open it, because if I don't open it now, I'm going to open it tomorrow, because I plan on putting all of my, both boxes from the premium box and the base box. That video I've already did. I'll stick it right over here if you guys have not seen it. But yeah, I'm going to put everything in a box and everything that I can use in one face, and we're going to play in some makeup tomorrow. That's what it looks like. It's a little wet. I'm going to let it sit there. Let me show y'all what the tip looks like. That's what the tips looks like. I'm going to let it sit right there throughout this video and see if it's going to end up being smudge proof. The next thing I see in here, what is this? Dermilite. Dermilite X Lash Volumizer. Oh man, I don't want to open this, but I guess I will. Y'all. I got too many mascaras open. Again, I need to start using this stuff up. That's what I need to start doing. It looks like it's Dermalux XL Lash Volumizer. Eyelash and eyebrow. Oh, it's a booster formula. Yes. Now I got 3 of these open. This is what the container looks like. Word. Transform lashes to appear longer, thicker, and fuller. Specially formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes. They talking about me. They talking about me. Let's see what the one looks like. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like the one. Y'all see that? I like those little pretty bristles on even on a, what the heck did I just tell y'all this was? A serum. That's what it is. It's going to be a lash serum. So I'm really happy to have this and to try this, because all these lash serums, by Christmas, I should have, these should be my real lashes. I'm just saying. My lashes should look just like these by Christmas. I'm just saying. So I'm going to put these over to the side to go in the box for tomorrow. The next thing I see sitting on top is this daily brush. Is it a dry brush? Detox and massage. I think it's a dry brush, because I got one of these that I bought from Ulta. Idea for smoothing, softening skin. I wonder, is this the dry brush? We know it goes without saying, but the detox brush, I want to know, is it a dry brush? Directions: polish and circular motion. It is all over the body to stimulate, circulate, and laminate layers of dead skin. Designated to exfoliate, smoothing skin. It is. It's a dry brush. Clean the brush. Okay. It's a dry brush. I got one of these that I got from, let me open it so you guys can see. And I just move it from place to place. Pick it up and put it down. Because I don't remember to use it. Daily Concepts. Mine don't have these little beads in it. It's for dry brushing. To stimulate skin and circulation. It feels so good, but I'm so lazy. Maybe if I just brush myself up and make myself get all ashy before I put my lotion on. Woo! I'll use it. Ooh, that feels good. It's just, ooh, it's stimulating. I didn't get ashy because I already got lotion on. If I do it before I put my lotion on, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually use this one. This one is a lot heavier and sturdier than mine. And I can't tell y'all the price because there is no price on it. Ooh, that my arms feel awake now. Just like awake. I need to go down. Okay, I'll use this later. On my legs. On my legs. I like this. This feels better than mine. This says it's vigorous. It has 3 sides. It's gentle, mild, and vigorous. I think mine may be mild because I can really feel the effects of this dry brush. I like that. I ain't mad about it. So far, we're doing good. The next thing I see in here is, oh, the Ciate Editor palette. That's what it looks like. Let's get this opened up. I could have swore it was semi-open. That was too easy. That's what the front looks like. It looks white, but it's pink and blue. In the front, it's actually pink and blue. Whew. Okay, it has a huge mirror. This reminds me of that palette. That let me put this up here. There we go. Y'all can see the colors. Got some pretty shades in there. But it reminds me, I guess because of the pink color. I wish I could think of the palette. But that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. That's really pretty. I just want to swatch that green. That green has been attracting me all year. Ooh, I put it right over that black, didn't I? That's pretty. Let me go one more. This red. I'm doing this red right here. Ooh, these some good shadows. Y'all see that? Oh yeah, we got some stuff to play. I don't know which one I want to play in first. This one or I'll put it up now. But that Essentials 2 palette. But we're going to see, Ciate. We're going to see. This is cute. But I don't like my box was kind of half open. Maybe it just, I don't know. Maybe that's just the way it came. I'm going to quit complaining. Okay. And the next thing I got in here. Oh, I forgot about this. This was a choice. I chose this. This has to be new because I have never purchased this. This has to be new to Sunday Riley, the A+ high dose retinoid serum. Okay, this is going to be for nighttime use. I'll definitely be adding this to my skincare. I got my skincare box too, y'all. That'll be coming up soon too. Let me open this up. Oh yeah, high dose retinoid serum. Let me let y'all see what it looks like out of the packaging. And it says, what does this say? Advanced Strengthened Retinoid Serum. Delivers 0.65 solution of stabilized retinoid. Blends. Okay. Alright. For new users, use 2 times. Oh, use 2 days on and 2 days off. Okay, work your way up to every day. So don't use it every day at the beginning. We're going to see how much smooth skin. It's got CQ10 in it. Okay, a strong antioxidant found in the human cells. I know what CQ10 is. I'm just shocked that it's in this bottle. I wonder how much. Okay, we're going to see. We're going to see. Let me see what it does. Advanced Strengthened Retinoid Serum. Okay, you told me that. The sign of aging. Oh, yeah, and improves the look. Now, I can't see this little right. Does that say congested? Yes, of congested and IV damaged skin. Okay, encapsulated in CQ10. Cactus extract and ginger balance. To soothe the skin and appearance. Okay, I'm sorry. I got excited about this because I haven't seen this. I've been purchasing Sunday Riley products, but this is the first time I've seen this. Oh, look at what it looks like. Can y'all see that? It's yellow. Put a little bit on my hand. Y'all know this. Everything Sunday Riley is 100+, so we know this is some super expensive skincare that I'm happy to have in my box. Thank you very much, Boxycharm. I appreciate that. It don't smell real pretty, so that means it probably gonna work. It got a nice little stink to it. Okay, I'm gonna start using this tonight before my moisturizer. So far so good. This box seems pretty light for a premium box. I don't know. What we got? 1, 2. Oh, let me go ahead and open this last thing. Oh, it's a MAC lipstick. And the shade is what? Pink Nouveau. Pink Nouveau? Let's see what this looks like. And I got so many MAC lipsticks. Y'all know I'm in love with MAC lipsticks, but I don't have this shade, thank goodness. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Y'all see that? Let me swatch it right here. I like that. Ooh. That's pretty. It puts me in the mind of Maybelline. It's an old Maybelline lipstick called Magenta Magic. Y'all remember that? I'm looking for something to wipe this off. What I have on. This, if anybody wondering, this orange is shoot. I know it's a Milani. I can't remember the name of it. But it's a Milani lipstick. This is pretty. I like this. I gotta try it, y'all. Just my speed. Yeah, I know I'm put on my brown put on my brown lip. I like that. I'm put on my brown lip liner. Did I see that name right? Yes, I did. Pink Nouveau. I like that. Put on my little brown liner and I'm gonna think I'm too merch. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I don't know. I feel like this month's glam box is a little light. I mean, this premium box is a little light. It's a little light. It's okay. I get this brush. These brushes are expensive because I did buy one, but that's a good deal. And this, I'm pretty sure, is $100 and some. And these little things here just seem like fillers in this box. This box feels a little light this month. Let me know what y'all think. And let me know what y'all got in y'all boxes this month. I'm back in. Hold on. I forgot about the palette. So it's not really light if you count the palette. It just wasn't a lot of namey stuff. But like I said, the MAC, the Ciate, and the retinol cream really put this together. So I was slipping. I forgot about this. I had to pop back in and say that. And I read the directions with my readers on, y'all. This is a wet or dry brush. So I'm really excited about this. This one can go in the shower. You can scrub the meat off your bones. Okay, now I'm out. I'm out. Oh, I wasn't supposed to use this. I'm supposed to say this for the video tomorrow, wasn't it? It's too late, y'all. It was too pretty. I had to try it. I had to. Okay, that's the end of the video. I'm going to stop talking now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.